Hey, good morning students. How are you all? I hope that you must be well and good and must be taking care of yourself. So students, recently we have completed our first term syllabus and now we are going to start our second term. So from today we are going to start our second term syllabus. I am your science teacher and you are watching me on our digital classes of Science Standard 3rd. You have to tell me or you have to help me out to find out the name of the lesson. And for that we are going to play a game. And that game is nothing but a puzzle. And I will provide you some clues and you have to give answers of that clues. Okay? So let's start. So first clue is that it is a natural thing and it is green in color. Okay? Now second clue is it is fixed on one place. It cannot move from one place to another place. And third clue is that it is a living organism like you and me. So, any guesses students? Are you getting it? Okay, yes, correct, absolutely right. Definitely we are talking about the plants and that is the topic that we are going to study today. Okay, so that is the name of our next lesson and today we are going to learn about plants and this is very interesting lesson. You will enjoy learning plants. So let's start. Name of the lesson is plants. So students, from above clues you may have understood that the topic that we are going to study is plants and plants are also living organism like us, okay, and they are fixed at one place and they are the living organism like us, but we can move from one place to another place, but the plants are fixed at one place. They cannot move from one place to another place, though they are the living things. Okay. Now students, like us, plants also have different body parts. They are also having different body parts and now we are going to see which are the different body parts of the plants. And students, you have to understood that the different parts of the plant and each part of the plant has to perform its function differently. Okay. So these plants are differ in size, structure and height. These plants are having different structure, plants are having different height and the plants are also different in look, means they are not the two plants are looking same. Okay. So there are variety of plants and because of their variety of plants we are going to study their structure, their height and their looks. Okay. So first of all we are going to study the different parts of the plants. So students, you know that the plants grow into the soil. Okay. So first we have to learn the two parts of the plant, that is root and shoot. Okay. So basically the plants are divided into two parts. First part is shoot and second part is root. Okay. So you will ask me students, what is the meaning of shoot? Okay. So root and shoot, these are the two parts of the plant and shoot means the part of the plant that grows above the ground. Okay. it is in the air and it grows above the ground. So that part is called as shoot. And the part of the plant that grows below the ground, okay, so that part of the plant is known as the root, okay. The roots grow into the soil, okay. It holds the soil very tightly so that the plants can stand upright, okay. So have you understood the meaning of these two words, root and shoot? Shoot is the part of the plant that grows above the ground. It is in the air, and part of the plant that grows below the ground into the soil. It holds the soil. It holds the root of the plant very firm. Now students, as previously I have told you that like us, we are having different body parts. These plants are also having different body parts, and which are that body parts that we are going to see now, okay. So let's see. Now students, can you see this picture? Yes, this is the picture of a plant, okay. So as you can see, my drawing is not so that much good, but you can understand by this picture that this is the picture of a plant, okay. So in this picture, now you can see this is a plant, and the part of the plant above the ground is known as shoot, okay. It grows, it is up in the air, okay, and this is the part of the plant that grows above the ground. So this is the ground, and the part of the plant, this part of the plant that grows above the ground is known as the shoot, and the remaining part that grows under the soil, under the ground, is known as the roots, okay. So these roots grow into the soil and they just hold the soil tightly. And so have you understood meaning of shoot and root? Now student, we are going to see the different parts of the plant. So first part is the flower, then stem, then leaf, and then roots. So students, shoot contains the stem of the plant, okay, and it is having flowers, buds, and the fruits, okay. So have you understood? The stem or the shoot of the plant contains flowers, buds, and fruits. So I hope that you have understood the meaning of shoot and root and different parts of the plant, that is flower, stem, leaf, and roots, okay. So in the next period students, we are going to study the different parts of the plants and as well as their function. So students, I would like to stop here. In the next period, we will study the different types of root and also the functions of root. So till then, you have to take care of yourself, and one thing you have to do is that you have to draw a neat picture of a plant and also like this, and you have to draw the different parts of the plant and you have to name the parts of the plant, okay. And you have to take a picture and send me on my WhatsApp number. So thank you so much and take care of yourself. Bye for now. Bye bye.